These days, it feels like every AI video app is playing the same game. Give you a tiny free sample, then lock all the good stuff behind paywalls or slap a watermark on your downloads. But what if I told you there's an all-in-one app that gives you text to image, image to video, and even lip syncing completely free? No limits, no watermarks, no catch. This app secret weapon for creating professional videos right from my phone. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works.
Hello, I'm Ara, and today I'm revealing the most powerful free AI video generator that nobody's talking about. By the end of this video, you'll be creating viral-worthy content straight from your phone. But first, smash that subscribe button because this is going to blow your mind. Meet Grok, Elon Musk's secret weapon that just became available to everyone. This isn't just another AI tool. This is a complete game changer. Watch this.
Every single one of these was created in under 30 seconds, completely free with 0 watermarks. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Grab your phone and head to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Grok. That's G-R-O-K. Look for the official Grok app, hit install, and wait for it to download. Let me tell you why this is absolutely revolutionary.
First, it's completely free. No monthly subscriptions, no hidden costs. Second, no watermarks. Most AI tools slap their logo all over their content, not Grok. Third, it creates videos in perfect 9:16 format for shorts and reels. No cropping needed.
Okay, once it's installed, tap to open. You'll see the sign in screen. You can sign in with your Google account or your X account. Either works perfectly. I'm going with Google because it's quick and easy. Just tap, confirm your account, and you're in. Beautiful. Now, you're inside the Grok interface. See all these options? For creating images and videos, we want Imagine. Tap right here. And boom. Welcome to the creative playground. This is where the magic happens. Look at this clean, simple interface. No confusing menus, no complicated settings. Let's create something amazing. I'm going to type in a prompt. Watch this. A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, cinematic wide-shot photorealistic. Pro tip, be specific. The more details you give, the better your result. Now, hit generate and watch this. This usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds, way faster than most AI tools I've tried. Whoa, look at that quality. That looks like a movie poster. When you tap this magic button, Grok takes your still image and brings it to life. Ready? Let's do this. I can add a prompt for how I want it animated, or just let Grok work its magic. Let me type in flying cars moving through the city, camera slowly panning right. Hit generate and wait for it.
Are you kidding me? Look at this. Flying cars, moving clouds, the camera pan. This looks like a Hollywood movie trailer.
And remember, this is completely free. No watermarks, perfect vertical format for your shorts. Let me show you a few more examples I created.
Perfect for quick explainers or educational shorts. Imagine breaking down any topic in seconds. You can literally take your audience anywhere in the world without booking a ticket. Perfect for showcasing products, whether it's tech, fashion, or digital products you're selling. And pair it with a strong quote, and you've got a motivational short ready to post.
You can also upload your own images into Grok. Just tap the plus icon right here, choose your image, and Grok will automatically animate it into a video for you. Let me show you. Here's my image, and just like that, Grok has turned it into an animation. Now, let's try the new speech generation feature. I'll tap this button, select speech, and type in what I want my avatar to say. This is Savvy AI Studio, your shortcut to limitless AI creations. Okay, let's do the same thing again, but this time I'll add a little more detail. I'll type the exact same line, but inside brackets, I'll write, say it in a mature woman's middle pitch tone voice. Now let's listen to both versions.
This is Savvy AI Studio, your place to go from broke to abundance.
This is Savvy AI Studio, your place to go from broke to abundance.
Notice the difference? Here's what I discovered. Without adding a specific voice prompt, Grok assigns a random voice to each generation. That's why I included the voice direction in brackets. It ensures consistency and gives you control over how your avatar sounds. This feature is particularly useful when you want to maintain a consistent brand voice or specific character throughout your
Before
content.
we wrap up, here are my top 3 pro tips. Number 1, use cinematic terms like wide shot, close up, drone view for better camera work. Number 2, specify lighting, studio lighting, neon glow. It makes a huge difference. And number 3, don't accept your first result. Generate a few variations and pick the best one. You have unlimited generations. So there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, we went from zero to creating Hollywood quality videos on your phone completely free. If this blew your mind, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I'm dropping more AI secrets every week. Drop a comment and show me your first Grok creation. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. You can create content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, all from the same video. Just upload the vertical format directly. No editing needed. The future of content creation is here and it's in your pocket. What are you waiting for? Go create something amazing. I'm Aura and I'll see you in the next one.